Here we have a 2006 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer. It does have a 2017 Venture trailer, tri-axle. Spotlight, hull color is a dark blue. It does have bottom paint. Has twin Mercruiser 5.0s in it. Bravo 3 outdrives. There's your lower units and props. Does have an extended swim platform. There is full camper canvas for it, as well as a cockpit cover. Go inside here. Fender storage in the rear. Rear transom walkthrough. Snap-in seaweed flooring. Nice table area back here. Sink. Stereo control. Speakers on the arch. More seating here. Bolster driver's seat. Tilt steering. Has a Ray Marine. Engine hatch. Buttons. Phone holder. Compass. Has about 580 hours on it. Nice big cabin. The table drops down and makes another sleeping area. You have a nice big bed there if you want to spend the weekend on the water. Windows with curtains. TV. Little closet. Deck hatch. Little kitchen area. You have your microwave, your stove, your sink, refrigerator. Here's your bathroom here. Pump out head, sink slash shower. Aft cabin down here. It's actually a nice size. Closet here. Another stereo control. Lots of storage. Anywhere they can put it, they do. Come check this one out. It's at the Antioch, Illinois SkipperBud's.